Okay. As said in my earlier video, I felt this mask is completely bulky and heavy and very much over engineered. So in the next model I want to remove this links which is actually holding the mask. Instead could power it from here itself. So in this link itself I want to replace this servo motor here. If this model is not convincing to be simple, then I would like to make another video with another simple model without much moving parts. So I removed these links and I'm going to remove the servo motor and place it in a different position. I removed the links of the 4-bar mechanism and I've glued this new foam part to support the new mechanism. So let's see how it comes. I fixed these things and I'm gonna glue it here so that it will stay strong. Okay, now I'm gonna attach this link to the servo motor. I'm tightening the small screw, so it's now attached and this is how it works now. For this I'll attach this mask and we'll be done with this. I also attached the mask and it's difficult to show on the camera how I'm doing it, but I think people can understand. It's just an aluminum wire which I wound it over this yellow strip. Okay, so I'm now gonna cut this extra part. Hope you guys have seen my earlier video in which I attached the face shield to this servo motor. So once I attach this, I think I'm done. I'm done now. I'm gonna wear this and see how this works. Yeah. Well, this is nice. But this looks like the alien in the Alien vs Predator movie. Now I'm gonna cut this to this place and see how this looks. This also looks simple. I'm somehow not satisfied with the present model. I would like to make a different model with very less moving parts, as simple as this. So I would like to make it as a separate video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.